whatever a spider can. Spins a web any size, catches thieves just like flies.
Climbing action of this Spider-Man is driven by a crank and linkages we discussed earlier. Let me walk you through the process I followed for the same. Climbing action can be broken in two areas: movement of the whole body upwards and synchronous movement of both hands and legs. Upward movement can be achieved with the help of pulleys of different diameters combined as one. Movement of the pulley can also be leveraged to move hands and legs as well. I first tried to prototype it with the help of strips, pins and wheels. I could achieve the direction for legs and hands but not the distance with which these move. I could not progress further. At this point, I decided to take help of linkage software for modeling these motions. With this software, one can quickly change lengths of various parts as well as position of links and anchors. Path taken by a particular point can also be traced as well. I decided to identify location for shoulders as well as hips and related body parts during this exercise. When I was comfortable with the movement, I decided to note down the exact lengths and accordingly build a different prototype. This time, it worked as expected. Now it's time to build a working model. With plastic container, pulleys and threads, movement of the body is taken care of. Thin wire acting as an axle for the pulley is bent and crank is formed with the required value. Acrylic strips are used instead of card sheet one to mount required parts on the container. Initial testing is done with the help of strips used earlier. Later, each strip is replaced with paper parts. With some finishing touches, my favorite Spider-Man was ready. This working prototype is slightly bulkier. I plan to build a much smaller version of the same with a compact pulley system as well. That can be another interesting toy for kids to play with. Have a nice time. Thank you.